Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making some air fryer stuffed salmon. I bet you'll never want to have your salmon any other way after trying this recipe. And I also have a great tip for how you can stuff your salmon easily without making so much mess. So make sure you stick around. But before we jump right into the video, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Benna. Thank you so much for watching, and please do consider taking a moment to hit that red subscribe button. Also like and share this video and turn on your notification bell because I do upload healthy, delicious air fryer recipes every week. Thank you so much, and let's jump right in. We are going to start first by cooking up our shrimp. I just have my shrimp in here. I went ahead and just seasoned it with some salt lightly, some black pepper, and also a little bit of Cajun seasoning. And I have my pan here on heat, and I just added a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil to that. And I'm just going to go ahead and cook our shrimp lightly. One to 2 minutes. I'm just going to flip it over. You don't want to overcook it because we are still going to cook our shrimp with our salmon. So I'm just going to flip it over really quick here and should be good. So just 1 to 2 minutes and it's all good. I'm just going to transfer it in this place right here. And in this same pan, I just have over here some red, yellow, and orange bell peppers. You can use any vegetables that you choose. You can use spinach, broccoli, whatever vegetables that you prefer, that's up to you. I'm also just going to season this lightly with a pinch of salt. And I have 1 clove of garlic right here. I'm just going to mince that in there as well. I'll do a little bit of black pepper. I'll just stir this lightly, just to make sure that it softens up a little bit, and then I'll turn off the heat. So just 2 to 3 minutes lightly. Our bell pepper is all good. It just softened up a little bit. I turn off the heat. I'm going to set this aside and then we'll move on to the next step. So I have our cooked shrimp right here. I'm just going to go ahead and I'll just chop up our shrimp before we proceed to make our stuffing. Okay, it should be good. I'll just transfer it in here. And for our stuffing, I'm going to go in with our shrimp. Here I have our sauteed bell peppers. Pour it in there. And over here I have some crab meat. And here I have some parmigiano, freshly grated parmigiano cheese. And finally I have some cream cheese. And there it goes. So I'll squeeze a little bit of lemon juice as well. Lightly seasoned with a pinch of salt. Some black pepper. And I'm going to mix this all properly to combine. This is how our stuffing is looking. So over here we have our salmon. I just have 4 beautiful salmon fillet skinless. Skin has been taken off. And I also have here my air fryer basket. I just went ahead and lightly sprayed some avocado oil on there. And we have our stuffing over here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'll just go ahead with my paper towel and I'm just going to lightly dab our salmon to make sure that we dry off any water or any liquid that's on the salmon. We are going to proceed and just put our stuffing like this. So this way that I'm going to be the way that I'm going to be stuffing this salmon, it's very easy. If you want to try this method, it's going to be very easy, and it give you perfect results every time you try to stuff your salmon. And now I'm just going to go ahead and I'll take the other fillet and I'll just place it on top like this. So easy. I'll do same for the other one. I'll place it on top. And if you're worried that it's going to, you know, somehow spill while it cooks or something, you can also use a toothpick and just secure it if you're worried, which I don't think in the air fryer it should be fine. You can just secure it like this with a toothpick. I'm going to go ahead next and just transfer this in our air fryer basket. And over here I have some unsalted melted butter. So what we are going to do is we are just going to go ahead with our butter and just lightly sprinkle it to the top, because the butter is going to help give our salmon that golden brown beautiful color. Next I'll just go in with some paprika. It's also going to give it that beautiful color as well. So we are going to pick the preset button. My air fryer comes with a 350 for 8 minutes, and we'll check halfway to see how our salmon is doing. So our salmon has been cooking for 8 minutes. I did let it cook for 8 minutes because I checked 4 minutes later and it wasn't that well done. So this is 8 minutes later, and it doesn't look ready yet. So what I'm going to do is it looks cooked but not, it doesn't give us the color that we're looking for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this back into the air fryer. I'm just going to crank the heat up. Going to do 400 for 5 more minutes just to give it a golden brown beautiful color and also crisp up a little bit. Dinner is all ready, and we did serve our stuffed salmon with some tri-colored quinoa and also some air fryer green beans. It was so delicious. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like this video and also share it with your families and friends. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so, and thank you to everyone that has subscribed. Please turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. Until I come your way next time with something healthy and delicious, please continue to drink lots of water. Be well. Thank you. Bye.